Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. This is the first video of a hopefully daily video series, just to kind of show you what happens in the day in the life of me and what goes on. So yeah, and I was also just trampled by a cat. So there's that. In the mornings I like to go and check out on the flowers and the plants. Growing some flowers. Also check on the cauliflower. It's looking good. Big. Yeah. We gotta say hello to the tomatoes and the bell peppers. Yeah, getting big. Oh. So as boring people do every Sunday morning, we stop and have breakfast on the town square. And it's raining again. James Decisions. Do you look good? Yum. So it is still raining. Breakfast was good. Still pouring rain. It has rained for 2 days. 2 days. So I guess there's nothing else better to do than to go to Walmart and get some aqua hair color to make my hair permanently aqua. Alright, so I lied. I'm going to Sally's instead. I didn't know they were open. I thought they were closed on Sundays, but apparently not. So let's go in here and get some hair color. Alright, let's go in here and get some color. Color. Look at all the colors. Yeah. Well, let's go. See this? This is a fat, lazy cat. This is what he does all day. He just lays there on the floor, lazy, just like this one. Just lazy, big old lazy cat. Look at that. He's pretty, he's just lazy. So it looks like I'm officially aqua. Not bad. What do you do on your Sunday afternoon? Oh, you asked? Oh, I sit and watch Disney videos. Yeah, I have no life. Look what I got. Aren't you jealous? Strawberry and white chocolate and cranberry oatmeal. Yeah. Guess what it's doing outside? The same thing it's been doing for the past 2-3 days. Raining. So it's 8:41 on Sunday night, and I know it seems like all that I've done today is eat, but it's rained for, no joke, 3 days. So I have nothing else better to do. I have no excuse. But Chinese it is, and that's what's going to be for dinner. And then go home, watch a little Once Upon a Time, and then maybe call it a day. How's that look? Does that look good? Yeah. Steamed dumplings? Yeah, you want some, don't you? You can't, they're mine. So I'm going to eat this. And watch a little bit of that. Yeah, best show on TV. Best show ever. Alright, so that's the end of Sunday. Just finished watching Once Upon a Time. Fantastic show. Only 3 more episodes to go. I'm gonna cry when it's over. But yeah, so see you guys tomorrow.